Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and
What's up, everybody? Guys, girls, ladies, men, whoever's watching. So right here we have the XJR 110. Now, this little bike is freaking awesome. So I bought this for my daughter, and we bought it so when we go camping, we can have fun, like legit. So here's the deal. These bikes, PITSTER Pros, they're not your name brand motorcycle, right? So when I tell people I bought a PITSTER Pro, they're like, oh man, why'd you buy a piece of junk? I'll tell you right now, these are not a piece of junk. These things are fun. Now, we've been out on a few trips now, and she's dirty. About the only thing I've had to do to this thing is tighten the chain. Now, I'm about to do kind of my little inspection of the bikes because I need to go through, just check some bolts, nuts, tires, just check regular type maintenance stuff, right? I need to change the oil. I don't know, I guess we've went through a few tanks. I should have changed the oil after the first tank. I did not, my fault. However, we're gonna drain it. Not right now. Another video, we'll drain the oil, see how it looks. But overall, this thing's got electric start. This thing has a Kickstarter. It's a semi-automatic for the kids, so they can just hop on it, one down. No. It's all the way down is neutral, 4 up. It's a 4-speed, semi-automatic, but my daughter absolutely loves this thing. She rips around on it. I rip around on it. I freaking get out and go and jump it around the yard and just play. I don't know if I have any footage of me doing that. It might be on my phone. If it is, I'll try to get it onto the computer. If not, check out my Instagram, ScatterDad11. That is where I post a lot of reels, whether it's hill climbing, playing around in the yard, jumping this thing, just bahaing it, wheeling, whatever. That's usually where I post a lot of that stuff on the reels. So, anyways, go on Instagram, check it out, ScatterDad11. Hit me a like on some of my stuff, or I don't know, DM me. Just say, yo, YouTube brought me here. I came from YouTube. Just kind of keep track of some stuff. But PITSTER Pro XJR 110. You cannot go wrong if you purchase one of these. Guaranteed. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love the price, and honestly, I think you're gonna like the quality. I've been around PITSTER Pros for a while. I used to race back in the day. I used to race couches. You know, for those of you who know, those are 4-wheelers. But yeah. Anyways, you might see me ripping around on this thing here soon when we go camping again. We're just waiting on the weather. A lot of bad weather over the weekends. The weeks are good. Like, the weekdays are awesome. And then the weekend comes and it's just rains or snows. It's driving me nuts. Pray for good weather. But yeah, so I don't know. It's not much of a review, but I want to bring this stuff to the YouTube channel and let you guys see the abuse that we're going to be putting them through. I got a few other videos on the MXR 140. I'll post some up here, one here. Hopefully, if I remember. Sometimes I forget and I'm watching my old videos and I'm like, I totally forgot to add that card on the video. Hopefully this time I'll remember, but if not, wait till the end. In the end, there will be a couple videos, 4 to be exact, videos that pop up. I will include one of that if you want to stick around. And I got my little Whippet here. He's a good little dog. Hey, Charlie, come here, Charlie. Yeah. Okay, so anyways, XJR 110. Go buy one. Go look at them. Go to some dealer who's got them and see if you can check them out. If not, stick around, watch some YouTube stuff, and I'll let you know how these things turn out. Because I'm sitting about 220, and like I said, I've been rallying this thing pretty hard. I took it off jumps. I got a little thing in my backyard. Like I said, Instagram, check it out. But seriously, you can't go wrong buying this bike. Serious. It's worth it. Fun. Summer of fun.